Good morning my dear students. Welcome all of you in science video standard 1. Our book name is Evolving Science. How are you all my dear students? I hope you all are fine. I am also fine. Today students we will discuss exercise question of chapter number 3. See here. Discussion of exercise questions of chapter 3, that is plant around us. We have already learnt about this chapter students. Today we will do the exercise. Before starting the exercise, let's remember something from this chapter. In this chapter, in this lesson, what we have learned student, we have learnt about different types of plant, we have learnt about parts of plant, and we have learnt about growing of a plant from seeds. Okay student, there are different types of plants. Some are trees, some are plants, some are climbers, some are hot climate plants, some are cold climate plants. So what are these? These are different types of plants. Okay, and parts of plants. In parts of plant, what we have discussed students, we have discussed that there are many parts of plant. What are these? These are root, stem, okay, root, stem, flowers, fruits. Okay students, so what are these? These are the parts of plant. Okay students, so we have discussed parts of plant. What are these parts of plant student? Root, stem, leaf, fruits and flowers. These are part of our plant. Okay students, now the next one is growing of plant from seed. We have discussed student that many fruits have seeds inside them, and when these seeds already have small plant inside them. Okay, and when these seeds get enough water, air and sunlight, then what happened? A baby plant come from that seed. Okay, and in this chapter we have discussed one more thing, that is when a flower can become a fruit. Okay, a flower can convert into a fruit also. Okay students, so we have discussed these things in this chapter. Now we will discuss the exercise question students. See here, this is exercise objective type questions. Okay, see here the first question student, choose the correct answer. Okay, we have to choose the answer which is correct. There are 3 answers given, but you have to choose the correct answer. See the first question, which big and strong plants are called? We have discussed students, big and strong plants are called trees. Tree, grass, climber. These are the 3 options, but we know trees is the right option. Okay, big and strong plants are called what? Trees. We have discussed the big and strong plants are called trees. Now see the next question, neem, peepal and banyan are what? What are these students? These are trees, seeds, climbers. These are trees. Okay students, we will mark on trees. Why? Because we have learned that these are the examples of trees, and you know children, neem, peepal and banyan trees are very strong. Okay, very strong and very big, so we call them trees. Okay students, now see the next question, this plant has very big leaves. Okay, very big leaves. We have discussed about leaves, some are small, some are big, some are thin, so different types of leaves are there. But which plant have big leaves student? Cactus, banana, neem. Yes, it is banana. So banana will be the right answer for this question. Okay students, now see the fourth question, which of the following plants need support to stand? Yes students, we have learned that some plants need support to climb and grow up. Okay, what are these plants student? These are creepers. Okay, they need support to grow. So which plant needs support to grow student? Neem, cactus or money plant? Yes, it is money plant. We have already seen in the examples and pictures that money plant is the example of climbers. It needs the what? It needs the support to grow. Okay. Now see the fifth question, students. See here, which of the following makes food for plant? Which of the following make food for plant, student? Yes, we have learned. See the option: leaf, root, flower. Yes, leaf is the right answer. We have learned, children, leaf makes the food for the plant. Leaf is also known as the kitchen of the plant. Okay, so leaf will be the right answer. Okay, students. Let me mark the right answer. Tree will be right answer for this. Tree will be right answer for this. Banana will be right answer for this question. Money plant will be right answer for this, and leaf will be right answer for this. So these are the right answer for these 5 questions, students. Now we will move to our next question. See here the next question, students. See B number question. Look at the picture and name the following. See, what we have to do, we have to see this picture clearly and we have to answer what is asking here. The first one is a fruit which has one seed. A fruit which has one seed. Okay, students, see here. This is mango, this is apple, and this is, I think, guava. Okay, so see, mango has only one seed. Okay, so we will write here the answer mango. Okay, students, we will write here mango has only one seed, and here the question is asking a fruit which has one seed. In this pot 3 fruits are given, only mango has one seed, so we will write here mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Mango will be the answer for this question. Now see the second one. A fruit which has few seeds means more than one seed. Okay, few seeds. Yes, apple has few seeds. Okay, you can see the black color seed inside the apple. You eat, whenever you go and eat an apple, you will notice, children, it has black color small seed. Okay, so we will write here apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Okay, student. Now see the third one. A fruit which has many seeds, student. The one is left, that is of green color, which is guava. Yes, guava has many small seeds present inside it, students, that is of white color. The circled type of seed which we get inside the guava, they are many in numbers. Okay, they are many in numbers, so we will write here guava. Guava will be the right answer. Okay, student. Now moving to our next page, means our next question. See the next question, student. See, the question number is C. Match the following. Here we have to match it, students. Just wait here, I am showing you how we can solve this question. See the first one. This is column A and this is column B. Okay, students, see here. The first one is root. Okay, to where we will match it? Root. Kitchen of plant? No. Fixes the plant in the soil? Yes, we have discussed, student. Root fixes the plant to the soil, so this will be matching to this. Stem. What stem do, children? Carries food and nutrition. Yes, it carries food and nutrition, so we will match stem to carries food and nutrition. Now leaf. Yes, leaf will go with this, kitchen of plant. Leaf is the kitchen of plant, student. Why? Because it makes food for the plant. Okay, so leaf will go with this, kitchen of plant. Seeds. What are seeds, student? Seed produce a new plant. We have learned if a seed gets enough water, sunlight and air, then it will become a baby plant or a new plant. Okay. Now flower. Flower, student, flower changes into fruit. Yes, we have learned, children, flower changes into fruit. Just like pomegranate flower, it changes into a pomegranate fruit. Okay, so we have discussed this question, student, this matching question. Now moving to the next question, that is D number. See, fill in the blanks with the correct words given in the box. Here is the box, students, and you have to tick the correct one. You have to choose the correct word and fill in this blanks. See, the first one. Big and strong plants are called what? Big and strong plants are called, we have learned, students. See, they are called cactus. No. Lotus. No. Trees. Yes, trees. So trees will be the right answer for here. TREES. Trees will be the right answer. Okay, students. Now see the next one. Plants that need support to grow are called, what are these, students? The plants which cannot stand or grow by themselves are called, yes, creepers. They have weak stems. Okay, students. So what we call them? We call them climbers. Okay, students, we call them climbers. See, climbers is given in the box, so we will write here climbers. See, CLIMBERS. Okay, so climbers will be the right answer, students. Now see the third one. Third one is, student, a dash can grow in hot place with very little water. So what will be the right answer for this question, student? See, student, it is asking about hot place, means hot climate plant. Okay, so what are hot climate plants, student? That need less water. Okay, they need little water. A dash can grow in hot place. Which plant can grow in hot place, student? Cactus. Yes, cactus will be the right answer. We have discussed about many plants that grow in hot place. One of them is cactus. So we will write here CACTUS. So cactus will be the right answer. Now see this question. 4 number. A dash plant grows in water. Which plant grows in water, student? See here the option: cactus, lotus, tree, climber, green, banana. Yes, lotus. Lotus grows in water. So we will write here lotus. LOTUS. Okay. Wait, student. Lotus. LOTUS. Lotus will be the right answer. Now see here the 5th question. A dash leaf is very big. Which plant's leaf is very big, student? Yes, it is banana plant. Okay, see, the option is given banana. So we will write here banana. BANANA. You will write in the box, student. I am not able to write it clearly. You will write in the box in a very nice writing. Okay, now see here the 6th one. Most leaves are dash in color. Many of the plant have leaves, students, and what is the color of that plant? The color of most of the plant leaves are green in color. Okay, leaves are green in color. See here option is also given green. So we will write here green, GREEN, green. Okay, you will write it very clearly, students, in the boxes. Okay, so we have completed this question. Now we will move to our next question, student. See here, this is E number question. Write true or false. T for true and F for false, means we have to write T for the right answer and we have to write F for the incorrect answer, means the wrong answer. Okay, see here Let's start with the first question, student. The sunflower plant bears a green flower. You know, student, sunflower plants bear a which color of flower? Is that a green color flower? No, it's not a green color flower. It has a yellow color flower. Okay, it has a yellow color flower. So this is wrong. So we will write here false. For false we will write F. You will write in the box, student. Here the box is given. Now see the second one. Leaves are mostly red in color. Is it correct, student? Leaves are of red color? No, they are mostly of green color. Okay, leaves means the green color. So this is also incorrect. So we will write F, means false. See the next one. A flower changes into fruit. Yes, this is right, student. A flower changes into fruit. We have seen a pomegranate flower changes into a fruit. Okay, so this is right. So we will write true. True. So T. Here the next question. The thick and hard outer covering of a tree is called a bark. Yes, it is called a bark, student. The thick means it is very thick and hard, and it is a covering thing. Okay, it is the outer covering of a tree. What we call it? We call it a bark. Okay, we have learned in the information bell, okay, in that page in chapter number 3, that the outer covering of a tree, the thick outer covering of a tree is called the bark. Yes, it is true. So we will write here T. Now moving to our next question, student. F. Here in F number question, who I am means these are written something and we have to decide, means what are they. Okay, who are they. Okay, we have to decide who are they, means whose features are written here. See the first one. I am the main part of plant. Branches, flower, leaves and fruits grow on me. Okay, the main part of plant, student. Which is the main part of plant? The main part of plant is the part on which the plant stands. Okay, the plant stands on that part. And what is that part? That part is stem. Okay, that part is stem, students. So we will write here stem. It is the most important and main part, stem. Why it is most important and main part, student? Because it carries the nutrition and food to all the part of the plant. Okay, students. Now see the next one. I grow under the soil. Water and nutrients are taken by me. See, I grow under the soil. Which part is under the soil, student? We have discussed in the chapter the part which is under the soil and which takes the water and nutrients is called what? It is root. Okay, so we will write here root. Root will be the right answer for this question, student. Now see here. I grow from flowers a seed. I grow from flowers. A seed can be seen inside me. Yes, a seed can be seen inside me, and I grow from a flower. What grows from a flower, student? Yes, a fruit comes from a flowers, and in fruit we can see little and small seeds are present. Okay, so the answer will be fruit here. F-R-U-I-T. Okay, fruit will be the right answer here. Now see the fourth one. I am the most beautiful part of the plant. I change into fruit. Yes, student. Which part of a plant changes into fruit, and which part of a plant is the most beautiful? Yes, it is flower. Okay student, flower is looking most, flower makes the plant more beautiful. Okay, and flower changes into fruit. Okay, so the right answer will be flower here. You will write here student, flower, flower. I cannot write it clearly student, but you will write here very nicely flower. Okay, spelling of flower, flower. Okay, so flower is the most beautiful part of a plant student, and flower changes into fruit. Now moving to next question. See the next question student here. G, short answer question. Short answer question means student here you have to write the answer in one or two words or one or two sentences. Okay, see here. The first one is, what are trees? What are trees students? Yes, plants which are big and strong are called trees. Okay, so you will write here plants and trees which are big and strong are called trees. Okay, now see the second one. What are climbers? What are climbers students? We have discussed about climbers, that climbers have very weak stems. Okay, they cannot stand and grow by their own. Okay, they need support, means they need help of something like wooden stick, string or wall to climb up and grow. Okay, so what are these? These are climbers. So we will write the answer that plants which have weak stems and need support to stand are called climbers. Okay, the plants which have weak stem and need support to grow are called climbers. Okay student, you will write the answer here. Now moving to the next one. What are the parts of plants? What are the parts of plant? So what are parts of plant student? We have discussed in this chapter that the parts of plant are root, stem, leaf, flower and fruit. 5 parts of plants are student: root, stem, fruits, flowers and leaf. Okay, I repeat once again student. See here, parts of plant are root, stem, flower, fruits and leaf. Okay, five parts are there. Now moving to our next question. See here the next question student. This is long answer question. Okay, this is long answer question students. You all have to write the answer in more than one sentence. Okay, see here. How do root and stem help a plant? How do root and stem help a plant? You know student, root is very important for plant. Root is under the soil and it takes the water and nutrients. And stem, you know children, stem is also very important. Stem holds the plant and it carries the food and nutrients to plant. Okay, so we will write here the answer like this. See here, root fixes the plant in the soil and stem supports the plant. It carries food and nutrients to all parts of plants. Okay students, so this will be the answer to this question. Now see the next question. How does a seed grow into a plant? How does a seed grows into a plant student? We have learned that when a seed gets enough sunlight, water and air, then what happened? Then a baby plant comes out of the seed. Okay, so we will write here answer like this. When a seed gets enough air, water and sunlight, a baby plant comes out of the seed. So this will be the answer, students. Now all the questions are completed. We have completed all the questions. I hope you have understood all these exercise questions and you will do it correctly in your book. Okay, students? Now we will meet in our next video. Till then, everyone, bye bye my dear students.